Guys, I want you to see this big mistake. Yeah, that's right. So make sure you stick around. This is really important. We have an oil catch can, and I usually empty this oil catch can every time I change my oil. So I just changed my oil recently, and you can see the milky substance. So this plays a big impact on the carbon buildup on your intake valves, as you've seen in a lot of videos. We've used great products like CRC and seafoam with some success, but I have something really special coming for you guys, and I can't wait for you to see just how well it performs. I was actually surprised. Finally, some success. But before I get to that mistake in just a moment, I want to show you something else. As part of the PCV valve system, you have fresh air that's ventilated into the system. Notice the oil. I cleaned this out as well. So that fresh air that's connected in line, as you can see right here, I've capped it off. This is where the fresh air would go, and somehow still oil would make its way from the fresh air to the valve cover. As you'll notice, this is one of the connections for the PCV system, the fresh air that I'm referring to. And I took an air oil separator and added an extra screen, or they come with a screen, and one of these filters. This way you can get the fresh air that you need for the system. All the while, no oil is introduced into the intake, because I did find oil was running back through here and it was getting all over my throttle plate, which can also play an effect, or if you have a mass airflow sensor. So let's go ahead and jump into the mistake. The mistake: this is a direct injection engine, also known as a GDI. And without these oil catch cans, and for the breather system on the valve cover as well, and this will be the connection for my oil catch can on this 2014 Hyundai Elantra GT, the carbon buildup would be much worse than you guys have seen. And as you know, this engine hasn't been taken care of very well, so I've done the best I could to try to bring it back, try to find an easier way that we could clean these intake valves. Guys, be sure to let me know any special ideas that you may have. Stay tuned, because I'm going to have a really great video coming for you guys. And as I said, make sure you guys install an oil catch can. Don't make the same big mistake as I had made. Thank you guys for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.